Welcome to the Chiefs Arena match reaction time. What do we have here? I tell you what, we have Pirates in tears. We have Orlando Pirates in tears. These men have bottled the league once again. But yeah, we are not here to talk about the Orlando Pirates. I don't really come to the stadiums. I hate coming to the stadiums. I think about the road traffic. I think about the congestion in the stadium, people stepping on my shoes. But man, today it was worth it. Yes, you can say I'm celebrating a draw. I don't care. I am shameless. Yeah, I take it. All I came here for was to stop Orlando Pirates from getting 3 points, and we did that. First half, I think it was underwhelming. I think they dominated us, and the coaches are to blame for that. When will these men learn that we are a very terrible team with Sibongiseni Mchacho on the pitch? He was absolutely nowhere to be seen. He messed up our whole play. We are going long with Brendan Peterson trying to find Lilepo. He's trying to hold the ball. There's no one coming to fetch the ball. Why? Because we have 3 midfielders who are not creative. There's no number 10 there. Duduzi Shabalala should have started the game. Second half, with the introduction of Duduzi Shabalala, there was a structure in that midfield. Mabue and Chabote and Spacey Ndlovu were playing as the double pivot. They are both comfortable on the ball. They were collecting the ball. We were playing through Orlando Pirates midfield. We're a very, very much better team. And we got the reward. We got a goal. One delayed Duba. Great work from the center line. The arrogance, the composure when he got into the final third, waited for the right moment to play that ball. Unselfish. 1-0. After that, we put on the handbrake again. Understandably, I don't expect us to attack Orlando Pirates whilst we are 1-0 up, and then against the run of play, because Orlando Pirates did nothing in that second half before they got the equalizer, and then after that they started coming at us, and we managed the game very well, even though it was frustrating, all these stoppages going down and all that, but we did what we had to do, man. Them way there. So it's a 1-1 draw. It's not a win, and these men are shameless. Yeah, these Orlando Pirates fans are shameless. These men are busy dancing, singing with their players there. Man, you've just bottled the league. You've just gave Sundowns another chance. Sundowns have been giving you countless chances now. You absolute wasters. Smash a like. Let me know your thoughts down on the comment section. I'm out.